Hello everyone and welcome back to Blushes Sweetly, coming to you from Dollar General. I just want to say first, please like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell and make sure that it says for all of my videos. Yay! Now let's get into our first deal. I will be doing some 5 off 25 simulation deals simply because I don't think I'll make it out to the store tomorrow. If I do, it'll be way late. So our first thing that we're gonna pick up, because I already see they don't have my Flintstones, so we're going to pick up a one a day here. Okay, this is $6.75 and we have a $3 off coupon. And let's see, what's the next one, wherever that is. Oh, right over here. And like I said, these are going to be all digital coupons. We're going to do the Alka-Seltzer Heartburn for $4.50, and we have a $1 off coupon. Alrighty, the next things we're going to be picking up, even though the coupon does not show that it is attaching, we have a 50% off coupon off of this. Also have a digital buy one get one free coupon, meaning you buy one of the razors or cartridges and then you're supposed to get this for free. On Instagram everyone says that it is coming off, so we'll see. We're just gonna try. The next thing I am gonna pick up, wherever it is, I don't see, is, oh, there we go, the Venus. Razors. These are 7 and we have a $3 digital coupon, making it 4. The next item I'm going to pick up is this other razor. That is $4. The strip razor was a $3 off coupon, making that $1.50. Alrighty, and the last thing we're going to be picking up is one of these dolls. We have a 75% off coupon and they are $1. Alrighty, this is what our order looks like here. And it's going to be all $25.60. And after everything comes off, I did it without, if the coupon doesn't work, it'll be $6.35, and then I think it might be $5 after. We'll see. Whatever happens, happens, right? Yay! Okay, let's go to the register. Alrighty, everyone. It actually worked out perfectly with the exception of I must have not pressed the button for the Venus razors to get the $3 off. But as you can see, the 2 store discounts came off for the foamy thing. And then let's go down to the Venus right here, the pink, $7, and you see the 2 store discounts, so it must work as far as that other coupon coming off. So I'm at $8. Now if I had that $3 coupon attached to it, then it would have been $5. So this is a deal you can do. Just make sure everything is clipped, because that was my mistake. But the store is about to close, so, and I just got off work. So anywho, let's go on to the next deal that we're gonna do. I'm gonna pick up this family size Oreo. It is $4 and we have a $1 digital coupon. And if you're wondering why it's dark in here, this store always like an hour before it closes, the lights just turn off for whatever reason. So But we have our Chips Ahoy $4 with a $1 off coupon. Let's move on to the next. Alrighty, the next things we're gonna pick up are 2 of these. Well, not that one. These are $1, and we have a $1 off coupon when you purchase 2. So we're gonna pick up 2 of those. Pick up 2 of these, 1 turkey, 1. Well, the next thing I was going to try to pick up, but I don't see anything over here, is the Haagen-Dazs. They are supposed to be $2.50 and we have a $1 off coupon, but it doesn't look like they carry any here. So yeah, let's find a different filler item. Okay, the next 2 items I'm going to pick up is this Fiber One. They are $3 or 2 for $5, and we have a $1 off coupon, so I'm gonna go for these 2. Alrighty, the next thing we're gonna pick up is one of these combos. I'll show you the coupon here. You save $2 when you purchase $7 worth of a whole bunch of different items. So we're gonna get a nice little mixture. I'm gonna go for the pizza one, $2. No extra coupon, just part of that digital coupon, Dollar General store coupon. Alright, the next items we're gonna pick up is 4 candy bars. You can go with Snickers, Twix, or what is the other one? Milky Way. Alright, because we have a coupon of buy 3 get 1 free, and it also attaches to the other coupon that I just showed you for $2 off when you spend $7. So I want to see if all of that will come off. Alright, the next thing we're going to add on is 2 of these extras, because that is also part of that deal. Buy 1 get 1 free. Okay. Alrighty, and since this store does not have the ice creams I was looking for, I'm going to pick up these cheddar, Quaker, whatever, Rice Cakes, Rice Crisps. They have a $1 off when you purchase 2, so that's $3 down to $2. We also have to pick up one more thing, and that will be some oatmeal. Alrighty, and the last thing we're going to be picking up is 2 of these oatmeals. They are $2 a piece, and we have $2 off when you purchase 2, so it's almost like a buy 1 get 1 free. So this is an all food deal. This is my receipt for the all food deal. Looks like everything came off. Let's see, 2 store discounts right around with the Snickers and everything. So we got 16 items for $10.85, and we got a little bit of everything, even something to munch on as far as some candies and the combos and stuff, without even those having coupons. So perfect little deal here. I'm gonna try to throw one more deal in right before they close. Alrighty, and this is my last all digital deal. We'll not be doing this now because they're closing, but you can pick up the $6.95 detergent. We have a $2 off digital, making that $4.95. Again, we have the softener for $6.95, making that $4.95. We have our Always, which is $3 with a $2 off digital, making it $1. We have our $5.49 digital coupon that will attach to these 2 body washes. They're $4.50 a piece, making that $9. Then we have our Gain, which is buy 2 get a $1 off, and they are $2 a piece, so that'll be $3. Then we have our Crest baking soda. $2 with a $1 off coupon, making it $1. Our Oral-B, which is $2.25 with a $1 off coupon, making that $1.25. And then we have our 2 toothbrush. This is $3 with the $2 off coupon attaching, making that $1. Altogether, this is $37.15. I know you're thinking I'm crazy, but we're trying to get an extra $5 and 1 cent coupon at the end of your receipt. So after all coupons come off for all these items, you're going to pay $15.66, but then the $5 will print at the end, making all these items $10.66. And that's $10.66 for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 items. All right. 10 items. All right, let me go so I can put up all this stuff. All right, everyone, like, comment, and subscribe. Keep your eyes on the prize. Back to the win. See you in the next one. Oh, and thank you for all the subscribers. I'm gonna do a video just for that. Thank you for putting me over 5,000. Woohoo! Should have put that in the beginning, but oh well.